I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a pom-pom using the Clover pom-pom maker. So you need a pom-pom maker and some yarn and some scissors. You take the pom-pom maker and you open it up, both sides, like that. Then you take your yarn and you put it down the center of the pom-pom maker, and then you wrap the yarn around this pom-pom maker part. And when that side's full, bring it back to the center and then secure it in place. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other half of the pom-pom maker. Next, take your pom-pom maker and a really sharp pair of scissors and cut the yarn in that channel. And then repeat the process on the other half. Then, taking the extra piece of yarn, put it into that center channel of the pom-pom maker and tie a knot. Then release the sides and pull the pom-pom maker apart. And now you have a perfect pom-pom thanks to the Clover pom-pom maker.